YouTube. I'm just putting my welding sleeves on. I'll put this up a little more. I don't know if you can really see this. I don't want to put the camera out there because then I get weirdos to show up. Yeah, weirdos. I'm friends with lots of them. Trust me. What the hell was that? Just fell. Oh, the pen. The marker. All right. What is it? Those these sleeves remind me of is it barbers? Any wear sleeves like this, or I don't know, the old bartenders or something? I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm gonna tack this in here. Tack it in. Tack it up, tack it in. Let it begin. I'm sure some of you know what I'm talking about there. Nice. How do I always do that? Always. Oh. There we go. C'est bon. I should have known. There, let's see this. Oh, there's one. That's even. C'est bon. Ooh. There we go. Now we gotta turn this over. Turn it over. Over. Rover said turn it over. This off of here. This off of here. Ta-da! Oh, I missed it. See this? Shit. This one don't want to barbecue. Yep. This one don't like to cook. She don't want to cook. Let's see how she does this way. I bet you not getting a good ground. I have a feeling we're not getting enough. I feel we're not getting enough juice in there. Juice in there. Helps if I stay on target. Let's see. Does anyone else enjoy welding burns? To me, it's like Christmas. All right, let me. How many minutes I got on here? 5 minutes. I'll restart you. All right. I see a table melt. It's gonna melt. You just hear it sizzle. Come on. those reasons why you really shouldn't wear TIG welding gloves when MIG welding. Alright, that's done. Now we gotta put the bars in place. I'll put this on hold here. Probably couldn't see shit there. I'm not really going for perfection here. I'm just trying to get it so it's straight. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just lining it up with the bottom beam there. So yeah. Yeah, it's lined up. That's out there. This has to move out a little. Just a wee bit. Right there, I guess. Where's my helmet? I don't know if you can see anything. Let me move the camera. I'm gonna plug it first. I'm gonna move the camera. I'm gonna move the camera. So many goddamn wires here. Let's see now. You probably see what I'm doing. Right here and here. Where did I put my helmet now? Welding helmet. Oh yeah, it's way over there. Yeah. I'm gonna put a ticky tack right here. And the ticky tack over here. Alright. This over here. This over here. That's on there temporarily. Jeez Louise, things have to be cleaned. Now, probably should measure the other side. Be a good idea. Even though it's even with that. 8 inches. Yeah. Going down 8 inches. Right to there. 8 inches. This is the welding table. Not the welding table. The bending table. Bendy. Gotta get some bendy going on. Yep, we need the magnets. Blunt force magnet trauma. Okay. Come on. Little magnetos. Do your job. Do your job. Okay, there we go. That one is good. Yeah, that's good. Gotta love that when the magnets fall off. And probably my fault because I probably put a magnet underneath the goddamn thing. It would be a lot better. But, you know, I gotta make everything hard as possible. Because that's what I do. Alright, there we go. Bring that in a little. Is this square? Alright, that's good. Bring it up a little. Ooh. Frick. Of course, I have a pipe sticking out here, and every frickin' thing, wire that run across it has to get stuck in it. Never fails. I can't move the pipe because the pipe's too damn long. So. COVID. Now, let's lay some flat. Lay a weld in here. I think we need to clean out the tip, the welding tip. Sometimes cleaning helps. Yeah, this thing is cruddy as shit. How the hell is the tip bent? Jesus. What the hell happened here? It's like bent. That's weird. I don't know where my little tip here is need of a cleaning. Alright, there we go. Clean tip is always a good tip. Let me lay it flat so I can do this. You know what, I'll do it like this first. Do a flat welding here. Well, it ain't perfect. Large gap on that one. Large gap. Sweet dog. Burned a hole through that one. Alrighty. Gotta do the tops now. Gotta do the tops. Do the sides and I'll do the top one down. Did I eat a hole through it? Looks like it's eating it. I think it's running too hot. Oh well. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Feeling hot. Running cold. Purple hammers. They're awesome. Oops, dropped that one. There we go. How many minutes I got in here? 10 minutes? Holy shit. Better chop it up. Ahoy, matey. Oh, there we go. Get some good traction on it. Yeah, 4 more welds. I think I'm done. Then we'll get out the grinder package. That's what happens when you weld too far. Excuse me. I'm mostly going to grind off some of the little beads and shit that flow around everywhere. I'm not grinding this for aesthetic reasons. Metal fabrication. Just flabbergasted. Alright. The next thing I'm doing is giving it a once over with a flap disc. Gonna go over it with a wire wheel, scrub it up a little bit, and after that it's going to get some zinc oxide primer and some paint. So that's about it for now. I will think about putting wheels on the bottom, but it is buckled. It has got a little whoopsie woo in it. So anyway, I'm gonna flap disc it. Flap disc the biscuit. This, again, if you haven't watched my video, it is for my Diacro, what do you call it, finger brake. According to their website, these things are $500. I paid less than, I don't know, probably 10 bucks and wire. So, like, subscribe, enjoy, and I hope you like my channel. There's a little button. Lost the button. I lost the button.